Hi, I'm Kate from Colour Me Kate, and as you probably know, I'm a personal style consultant and I specialise in colour. So until now, I've worked face-to-face with people, whether that be one-on-one or as part of a group, but I've always been standing there in front of people. So because of our current situation, I'm thinking, well, there's no reason why I can't offer my style services or my style workshops online. So my next How to Look Stylish workshop is scheduled for Saturday the 4th of April, so it's coming up in a couple of weeks. I already have one person booked on that. I'm going to keep the numbers fairly small, but if you would like to join, then simply go onto my website, colourmekate.com.au, and click on the event link, I think it is, and then you'll find that date, the 4th of April. Simply click onto that and book your place, and then before the event, I will email you with a code that you'll need in order to join me online, and we will literally run exactly the same workshop, but online, and we will make it lots of fun. So don't forget, colourmekate.com.au, click on events, find the date, 4th of April, and I'll see you then.